Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. Fix up the braids, do a little makeup and outfit. So for this get ready with me, it's just a chill day get ready with me. Nothing crazy, just something simple, nice. If you want to go over your friend's house, your boyfriend's house, your girl, and have like a little movie night, this is one of those chill get ready with me type look. So as you can see, my braids are a hot mess because these are the braids that I got done in Jamaica. It was like what, Sunday, 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks, and you know my ear easy to get trashy real quick. It was freshly done. I'm gonna insert a picture right here, so when I just got it done, how beautiful it looked. So what I'm gonna be doing to make this hairstyle come back alive a little bit is I'm gonna be using the black castor and flaxseed gel just to like wake up the edges, wake them up or lay them down, one of them. So I have a little bit in this container. This container I use when I'm traveling. So I'm actually gonna take these out in a couple of days because I really miss my natural hair. It's been a month now because the braids that I went to Jamaica with, they were bigger and they didn't last more than 9 days. If you watch previous videos before this, like my vlogs in Jamaica, you see how my hair was. And then I think it was like 3 days before I came back from Jamaica, I got these braids done. I got these braids done on New Year's Eve. Yes, so 2 weeks, 2 weeks, right? I don't know. So I'm gonna be brushing it in. I've never done a get ready with me on my channel because I don't wear makeup that much. I think the last time I probably wore makeup was my birthday, and that was in July. My trip in Jamaica, I did not wear makeup, not once. And the reason for that is I am not against makeup, it's just that I get really bad breakouts, so I don't really wear makeup that much. And then as you guys, I don't know if you guys can see right now that I'm breaking out really bad, and all of this happened when I was in Jamaica. I just feel like it's just the change of the water. I guess the whole traveling thing was just different from my skin, which didn't stop me from having fun. Just fine. I'm gonna get it figured out before I do my baby hair slash adult hair. I'm just gonna brush it in. I'm gonna use my scarf to tie it down just for a couple minutes, and then after I fix up my edges. So meanwhile this is happening, where I tie it down, I just move on to something else. Gosh, what did I get myself into? Saying I'm coming on here to do a get ready with me, knowing when I'm getting ready I'm all over the place because I don't have everything in one spot. Gosh, all this extra work for people not watching my videos. Don't say that, because you do have people who actually watches your video and enjoys it. Listen, I haven't done this brows thing in a long time. A very long time. What I'm gonna be using on my brow is this concealer by Pro Concealer. It's the color Fawn, and this concealer brush. Who made this? I'm such a hot mess with this. Blossom. Here we go. I've been putting off this video, this get ready with me video, for like ever since I just started YouTube, because I don't want people to see how much I'm a hot mess. I don't remember how I do this. What? See, I'm doing this all backwards. First, you gotta fill in the brows. Girl, what you doing? You really haven't done this in 6-7 months, huh? I'm using Rich Chocolate Brown. It's just a regular dollar pencil by Ruby Kiss or RK, and the color is Rich Chocolate Brown because I don't like when my eyebrows look harsh. I don't like that harsh look that you get from that dark brown or that black color. So I use a light brown, which is like it's a rich chocolate. Listen, I ain't no pro at this, like I said. I just do it occasionally. Let me put on some lip gloss because every time I talk, my lips get dry. I got a whole set of different flavored Victoria's Secret lip gloss for my Christmas gift from a parent at my job. Yes, I work at a school. I'm a teacher. Yeah. Ooh, pretty. Oh, tastes good. This one is Sugar High, Victoria's Secret. My favorite color is in the car. I left it in my car, but anyways, I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the fawn right here, just a tad bit. Like I said, I'm not doing too much, just a little bit. You know how much years I have this brush? I have this brush a very long time, so it looks so cute. See, once I'm doing it on camera, hot mess. Hot mess. See, I haven't done this in a long time, so I'm really, stop complaining. Just do what you gotta do. So I'm just gonna be putting the fawn under, right? I'm gonna do the next one off camera. All right, so for over the brows, I'm gonna use my foundation. Cause you know when you put the fawn over here, it just look harsh. At least when you put the fawn down here, so you put a little eyeshadow, it blend in, but I don't like when the fawn up here. That color doesn't go with my skin, so I'll use my foundation to clean the top of my brow. Yes, sir. Listen, like I said, I ain't no pro at this. I'm just doing something. I need to learn how to do makeup, especially that whole eyeshadow thing. When you make your eyeshadow pop, damn, if I could do that. Some people do their makeup and they look completely completely different. Alright, I think the brows clean, even though I don't know me that clean. But done with this now. Done with the eyebrow excitement. Alright, so like I said, I don't do anything too crazy. So the whole primer and all of that extra stuff used to back in the days when I was doing this whole makeup thing, even though I still wasn't the best back then, but I tried. I did a little more than now with the whole blush, foundation, the cut crease. I tried those things. I'm just keeping it simple, especially with this brand, Fenty Beauty, Rihanna's foundation. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, this is the setting spray. This is what you use, you know, when you're done the whole makeup thing. And this is my little sponge. Guys, I have a lot of makeup. I have everything that you need to do a whole makeup look, everything, but I just don't use it, and I just don't know how to do it. But what I do is I wet the sponge with my setting spray by Fenty Beauty. Can I show you guys? Fenty Beauty. Her setting spray is called What It Do, as in D-E-W, dew. I'm gonna saturate the sponge, and what I like about this, it don't come out too much. Like, you know, soak up your face and make it wetty and stuff. So it's a little wet, you know. And I'm gonna use the foundation, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Foundation, color 430. 430. You know how long I have this one? Boy, a year. And I have a brand new one. Let me show you guys. I have it in previous videos when I did my unboxing for my Jamaica trip in March, April. Yeah. So me, I don't go crazy with the foundation. You see how people like put down them primer and make them skin like, maybe that's why I get breakout. I just go in, but I just don't put too much. I don't need all of this, so I just waste it by pumping. How many times I pumped? I don't even know. I think what I put on my face right now is all I need. See how people do that full coverage and put a lot? Nah. I just use it to even my skin tone. Gosh, I couldn't tell me some clothes I drop off on me. See about you. Should I put on lashes? If it's a chill, I don't know. I know the lashes won't hurt nobody, right? Yeah, and that's it. That's it for me, period. And then I'll just go down on the neck and, you know, just blending everything down here. So this is my little eyeliner by Marc Jacob. Nothing wants to focus today, huh? But anyways, you can get these items from Sephora. My hands are ashy. It's because it's cold outside. Guys, it's cold outside and I just took a shower. So the cold and just taking a shower and not putting on any lotion, I'm ashy. So don't come for me. My Sunga lotion when may I put on my clothes. I'm thinking, should I do just mascara or lashes? Lashes too much right now, yeah man. Like I said, it's just a chill. I have a whole video with the magnetic lashes. I'm gonna leave the insert pictures right here and leave the link down below in the description box. Go check that out. That's my most viewed, I think that's my most viewed video on my channel, my magnetic lashes video, so go check that out. So I'm using this little cheap LA Colors Rose. I have so many palettes fancy palette, but I just like these colors, these neutral colors right here. This color, since my outfit is gonna be this, like I said, it's, what do you call it, lounge outfit. So I'm coming out of one lounge outfit into another. Hold on, I don't want too much, so I'm gonna put lid over here, lid over here. Oh, that other color coming off. I wonder if I could mix both. I just be doing stuff over my eye. I don't really be doing anything special. So you see that now and that. Me feel like this too much now, you know. So when me I go to now, I wipe off some white. Cause I don't like going too much sitting over my eye. That look cute. And it's my first time using this color. I don't usually use these. I usually use the the gold, dark brown gold. I'm not thunder that. Could never. Cause a while ago me say hot sun out that door, you know. You want to me say thunder won't come now? Joke can't make. Stop playing with me. What things are going over my eye right now? Where's me the ear thunder? I don't know how I feel about this, because I don't usually favor back in the days people them. I'm gonna be using this milk. I usually use the Marc Jacob mascara, but the girl at the Sephora tell me said this better, so me with my enough self go buy it. It's not all that. I still like the Marc Jacob one more. Oh gosh, what are the extra darky? I don't like that. I don't like this for myself. But anyways, this is the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara by Milk. If you guys know Milk, comment down below, because I never heard about Milk. So she said this better, so I'm gonna buy it. It's the same price. She say it work better, so I'm say alright, try better. I don't know if it's just my mind stuck one way on Marc Jacobs. Can you guys see the difference? I guess it finished though. It's Sunday, guys. We actually like do chill stuff. We probably got the airplane. If you watch my vlogs, you know we go to the aircraft spot and stuff like that. We actually do stuff, but I wanted to take a picture for the thumbnail. That was my thing, and I wanted the picture to look oh no, guys. I tried. This is why I don't come on camera and do the whole get ready with me, because I just don't feel accomplished. But anyways, I'm gonna do the setting spray. So I'm going to GWAAN for the ear now. I'm gonna do like a half up, half down type thing going on. You see it? So the edges don't look so bad, but yeah. Or should I change it up? Change it up. Oh, what else I gotta do? Yeah, the other style. I know I'm a hot mess, and I feel like only because I'm recording why I'm a hot mess. Oh, I'm stressed out. No, I'm stressed out. Me stressed right out, cause girls ratings. Hey, girl, did I go come out on camera? Yeah, she come out here, come. I don't like this for me. Battery are dead. BRB, guys. Okay, guys, switched the battery. Guys, I don't know I'm good with this. edges thing. It's like nothing is work. I haven't done this recording thing in a while too. Period. Like everything just feel brand new. This is my first time recording, like sitting in front of the camera recording at home since what? First week of December. It's like I'm unknown. Guys, just working me, huh? Stress right out. Oh, this it's supposed to look better. It's supposed to look like an enhance with the enhance there. Guys, when I'm getting ready, when I see when I do my ear and then do my face and come back on camera for showing the finished look with my hairstyle, when I see that it's a look. What's going on right now? I don't know how I feel about this. Guys, let me go put on my clothes and come show the finished look.